Okay, SUV Gaming na naman. Kowloon Restaurant, International City. Food trip, food trip. International City tayo pupunta.
Ay, akala ko ano. It's not a meme. Ano yun naman? Dragon Mart. Natatahan natin yung mga nakatami yung Dragon Mart. Magsing na dali.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had E. I was like, and on his farm I was like E. No.
So where are we going? Madali yan.
So we're going to our international city. We're going to international city.
Oh, low with you.
Ano dumaan sa kabila, masilip yan. Pabalag-balag sa sipatin. Happy birthday. Upo na, ano pa yung hinihintay niyo? Ba't di kayo magsiupo? Oh, yan.
Ate.
Just like medicine.
Ano? Macam-macam rumah kami. Ito naman parang juice. Hindi mo maintindihan ko ano. Pagkakasong niya.
What kind of juice is it?
The smell is good. It's like parang nalis ko din yun. Nalis ko? Oo nga. May lolo yung ininom mong sinabi naka-video. Hello, Axel baby! Hello! And we are experiencing a Hong Kong.
The first thing there.
Paano i-review yung ano nito?
I actually hate it here.
Hindi na iinom si daddy ng gamot mamaya. Iinom niya ng beer eh. Ito useless din.
What are you looking? You look for the escape, I will look for the onion.
Give me blue.
Yan mo po Axel kasi sa boy. Tawag mo ba yung Mark? Hong Kong. Biscuits made. May noodles yan eh.
Axel!
You want to use chopstick? Sabor ba yung mag-chopstick kayo? Yeah.
Ano ka yan?
Yeah. Ano ba ito bata? Ano ba ito?
Shrimp, shrimp. Sarap. Let's say we have 2 iced tea, that one. The sweet one. Iced tea, iced tea. What is it? Can you have one more? Thank you. Axel, pa-biscuit-biscuit lang.
Hindi na lang behave. Bebe ko. Kaya nga ba eh. Demo ka na ba? Ano Lodo? Demo ka na? Oo.
Boss, pansit na lang. Fried rice.